4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. We know that 10 ones make 110. And 10 tens make 100. What about 10 hundreds? 10 hundreds make 1000. The largest 3-digit number is 999. When we add 1 to 999, we get 1000. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. It is equal to 10 hundreds. When 1 is added to 1000, we get 1001. We write 1001 in figures like this. In words, we write like this. The number 3000 is represented using blocks like this. In figures and words it is written like this. Let us represent this number using blocks. In figures and words it is written like this. Place value and face value. This is the place value chart of a 4-digit number. The position of a digit in a number determines its place value. The face value of a digit is the actual value of that digit. The place value chart of a 4-digit number consists of places, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let us write to 4-digit numbers in the place value chart. 2457 and 3216. The face value of 2 in the first number and in the second number is 2. The place value of 2 in the first number is 2000 and in the second number, it is 200. Thus, the position of a digit in a number does not affect its face value. Expanded form and standard form. The number 3478 has 3 thousands, 4 hundreds, 7 tens and 8 ones. The number can be written in expanded form as 3 thousands plus 4 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 8 ones, which can further be written like this. This is the expanded form of the number. When we add the place values of all the digits of a number, we get the standard form of that number. The standard form of a number is also known as its short form. Representing numbers on abacus. Look at the abacus. To represent a 4-digit number, we use a 4-spike abacus. To represent this number, we put 3 beads in the thousands spike, 2 beads in the hundreds spike, 1 bead in the tens spike and 4 beads in the ones spike. So, the abacus represents the number 3000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4, which is equal to 3214. Comparing and ordering numbers. Let us compare these two numbers. We can say this number is greater than this number, as 6382 is a 4-digit number while 276 is a 3-digit number. This can be represented like this. If we compare two numbers, then the number having more digits is always greater. So, we can say that a 4-digit number is always greater than a 3-digit number. Let us compare these two 4-digit numbers. Yeah, 3 is greater than 1 and so, 3856 is greater than 1558. To compare two 4-digit numbers, compare the digits at thousands place first. Now look at these two numbers. If digits are the same at thousands place, then compare the digits at hundreds place. Yeah, 5 is greater than 2 and so, 3526 is greater than 3287. Let us now compare these two numbers. Here, the digits are the same at thousands and hundreds place, so compare the digits at the tens place. As 8 is greater than 6, and so 3582 is greater than 3565. If both the numbers have the same digit in the thousands, hundreds and tens places, then compare the digits at the ones place. Let us compare these two numbers. Here, 7 is greater than 4 and so, 3587 is greater than 3584. Let us now understand the ascending and descending order of 4-digit numbers. Ascending means increasing, so in ascending order, numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest. For example, arrange these numbers in ascending order. We place these numbers in a place value chart and compare. When these numbers are arranged in ascending order, we write like this. Descending means decreasing. In descending order, numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. For example, arrange these numbers in descending order. We place these numbers in a place value chart and compare. When these numbers are arranged in ascending order, we write like this. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers are those numbers that can be divided into exact groups of 2. For example, the numbers 8530, 2352, 7444, 9376, 6798, etc. are even numbers. An even number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Odd numbers are those numbers that cannot be divided into exact groups of 2. For example, the numbers 2781, 2523, 7645, 7687, 3169, etc. are odd numbers. An odd number has 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 in its ones place. Estimating numbers to the nearest tens and 100s. Rounding off makes estimation easier and faster, but it can be a little less accurate. To round off the number to the nearest tens, check the digit at the ones place. If the digit at ones place is either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then change the ones digit to 0, keeping all the other digits the same. If the digit at ones place is either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then add 1 to the tens digit and change the ones digit to 0. For example, 42 is rounded off to 40, while 48 is rounded off to 50. But 45 is rounded off to 50 by convention. For rounding off a number to the nearest 100 is check the digit at the tens place. If the digit at the tens place is either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then change the tens and the ones digits to 0, keeping all the other digits the same. If the digit at the tens place is either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then add 1 to the hundreds digit and change both the tens and ones digits to 0. For example, the numbers from 101 to 149 are rounded off to 100, while numbers from 150 to 199 are rounded off to 200.